And as this entire situation develops, India is upping the ante against Pakistan after launching the biggest diplomatic strikes on Pakistan. The Indian Army, Navy and Air Force conducted special exercises. Encounter between forces and terrorists continue in Bandipora. And in a big decision, the Home Ministry has given instructions to cancel all visas related to Pakistan. Home Minister Shah also spoke to the chief ministers of all states, and Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi is in Srinagar to review the situation. He was briefed about the ongoing operations in the valley and also met Jammu Kashmir LG, chairing a security review. An important meeting will also be held on the Indus Water Treaty issue at the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah today. Union ministers, including Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil, will be present in this meeting to discuss the Indus Water Treaty issue. And the Indian Air Force has conducted the exercise Akraman, moving from the eastern sector to central sector. IAF pilots carried out missions for mountain, ground targets, including long-range sorties. This comes after India launched 5 big diplomatic attacks on Pakistan and suspended the Indus Water Treaty. India has also revoked the visas of Pakistanis and closed borders at Atari in Amritsar.
Today, from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us.
The security situation in Pahalgam is on a war footing. Just look at this, a high-level team of investigators, IG Kashmir, all being present out here. What is important and significant is the sort of offensive which is really expected, which also means multiple operations to take place in Kashmir. 1,500 overground workers have already been taken into custody. Questioning is going on, and obviously identifying the perpetrators and taking action on them. That is a priority as far as Jammu Kashmir Police is concerned. Remember, investigating agencies like NI associating, and within a day or so, we do anticipate this entire case would be handed over to the agency. So there it is, security forces on the ground, mapping the entire area of Pahalgam, especially of Baisaran. Now let us show you the vast expanse. These are the mountains, and remember, this is where the incident has taken place, but clearly pressure mounting, especially. There's also a reaction, and we've seen a diplomatic offensive take place. But at this point of time, pressure on India as well, but also on Pakistan. We know there is a heightened alert at the borders, at the LOC. But meanwhile, the message coming in from the Prime Minister that those who are behind the dastardly attack will not be spared. And that's the word, that's the ground rule as far as security forces are concerned. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Pahalgam for India Today.